intestine, large intestine, bones, lungs, मूत्राशय, kidneys, heart, lungs, brain, stomach, the control center of the body's nervous system. The brain controls every activity of the body, such as moving the muscles and breathing. This is where we see, hear, think, and dream. Small intestine. Small intestine. A long wiggly tube where mushy food enters. It is the section of our digestive tract where the majority of food digestion and nutrient absorption takes place. Heart. An organ made of muscle. It is about the size of the clenched fist and lies between the lungs. It pumps blood around the body through blood vessels. Kidney. Two bean-shaped excretory organs located at the rear of the abdominal cavity. They filter the blood and keep it clean. The kidneys remove waste and excess water from the body through the urine. Stomach. An organ in the upper part of the abdomen. It is an enlarged and muscular pouch-shaped organ of the alimentary canal. The stomach churns the food and mixes it in very strong acids that partially digest it. Large intestine. A long tube-like organ that is connected to the small intestine at one end and to the anus at the other. It has 4 parts: cecum, colon, rectum, and anal canal. Partly digested food moves through the cecum into the colon where water, nutrients, and electrolytes are removed. Liver. The largest organ in the human body. It is a gland which lies on the top right-hand side of the abdomen under the ribs. It helps to digest food and keep the blood clean. Lungs. A pair of organs used for respiration. The lungs lie either side of the heart in the cavity of the chest or thorax. The lungs take in air when we breathe, providing essential oxygen to our body. Bladder. A triangle-shaped, sac-like, hollow organ located in the lower abdomen. Liquid waste, called urine, is produced by the kidney and stored in the bladder. When the bladder is full, it pushes the urine out of the body through a tube called the urethra. Bones. Bones are the hard, still substance that make up the body's framework or skeleton. They support the body and protect the delicate inner organs. An adult human has 206 long and short bones. Do you know? A baby is born with around 300 bones. Some bones fuse together as the baby grows. Brain. Liver, human body. Every part of our body is made up of tiny building blocks called cells, which fit together like bricks in a wall. The human body contains more than 200 types of cells that do different jobs. They provide structure for the body, take in nutrients from food, convert those nutrients into energy, and carry out specialized functions. Nucleus, nuclear envelope. Nucleolus, building blocks. कोशिकाओं के निर्माण हिस्से. Building blocks. Centrioles, lysosome, building blocks. Do you know? More than 2,000 dead skin cells fell off your body as you read this sentence. Types of cells. Cells are classified based upon their structural and functional properties. Depending upon the tissues they form, cells are categorized into the following. Epithelial cells. Simple cells that form the covering surface of all organs. Example, skin cells, mucous cells. Secretory cells. They form gland and are secretory in nature. Example, pancreatic cells secrete insulin. Salivary gland cells secrete salivary amylase, etc. Bone cells. They are the toughest body cells and are present in bones. Adipose cells. The cells that store fat and reduce friction to the body. Example, soles, palms, buttock, etc. Blood cells. These are cells that are present in blood, like RBC and WBC. Nerve cells. They are very long and have branching end. Muscle cells. These are long cells with the ability to contract and relax, proving for movements of attached structures, mostly bones. Systems of the human body. The human body has various groups of organs called systems, which individually perform their roles so that the body can function as a whole. Some organs work independently while some work in groups. Skeletal system. It involves the bones, joints, ligaments and cartilage, all of which keep the body in shape and enable it to move. It consists of the brain, nervous system. It consists of the brain, spinal cord and nerves. Digestive system. This system, which processes food, involves the mouth, esophagus, stomach, liver and intestines. Muscular system. Muscles provide mobility to the different parts of the body. Respiratory system. It involves the nose, trachea, lungs and bronchi. Cardiovascular or circulatory system. It consists of the heart, arteries and veins. The heart receives deoxygenated blood from all parts of the body and sends it to the lungs. It also receives oxygenated blood from the lungs and pumps it to the rest of the body. Arteries carry blood from the heart. Veins carry blood to the heart. Integumentary system. It consists of the skin, hair and nails. Lymphatic and immune system. It includes the lymph nodes and vessels, thymus, spleen, bone marrow, lymphoid tissues and many types of proteins. Endocrine system. The system includes pituitary gland, pineal gland, hypothalamus, ovaries, testes and thyroid gland. Reproductive system. It consists of the male and female sex organs. Urinary system. It involves the formation and voidance of urine, the liquid waste. The parts of the system are the kidneys, urinary bladder, urethra and ureters.